Motorola's taking the fight to Apple with the jaw-droppingly slim Edge 70, a smartphone that's built to turn heads and keep your thumbs busy for days. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Moto Edge 70 is just 5.9mm thick, nearly as thin as the iPhone Air, but with a camera bump that's far less obnoxious. Inside that tiny frame, Motorola crammed not one, not two, but three 50-megapixel cameras, including a main shooter capable of 4K video, an ultra-wide, a macro lens, and a clever light sensor that takes better shots in any scenario. It also baked in AI tools for editing and enhancing photos. The Edge 70 doesn't just look good, it's tough too. With a frame made of aircraft-grade aluminum, Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, and IP69 water protection, this is one phone that can actually survive a drop. The real kicker is the 4800 mAh battery that delivers up to 50 hours of continuous use. That's more than 2 full days of doom scrolling without ever hunting for a charger, leaving the iPhone Air in the dust. But Motorola's proprietary Moto AI2 chatbot has to take the center stage. It offers image generation, queries, and an intuitive AI that understands what's on your screen and guides you through it. It's powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 mobile chipset and backed by software and security updates till 2031. This phone is built to last. All this tech comes at a surprisingly reasonable price of £700 or about $910. UK buyers can grab it immediately, though international fans will have to wait, as Motorola hasn't revealed a US launch date yet. It's ultra slim and built to survive your clumsy hands. The Edge 70 might just be Motorola's best shot at dethroning the iPhone Air. Are you waiting to get your hands on this? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.